Alright, something fishy is going on here. Greetings, everyone. Thank you, as always, for tuning into the channel. You guys are amazing, and I appreciate all the love. Always a special shout out to my day one subscribers who have been allowing me to talk your ears off about shoes. And gotta say what's up to the new subscribers. We love growth on this channel. I'm currently on a mission to get to 5,000 subs, and you definitely need new subscribers in order to do that, right? So I know that a lot of people have been waiting for this review. I get a lot of messages from kids asking me what is next for Steph Curry, when's the next shoe dropping, what shoes is Steph wearing for the next game, what did Steph have for breakfast today. I get it. You guys are curious. Well, finally, we have an answer to at least one of those questions, because today we're talking about the Under Armour Curry 9 Black History Month. I did a review of the Curry 9 Count It here on the channel, which dropped, seems like forever ago. Feel free to check that out too. You guys want to hear a funny story on how I got these? So this sneaker released on January 28th for a retail price of $160 US, but this was only up for pre-sale on the Under Armour/Curry brand website. Given how limited the Curry 9 releases have been so far, I raced over to the website and tried to cop a pair. And I actually got through. I promise that's not the end of the story. At least I thought I got through. So a few days after pre-ordering my pair, there was no information about shipping, no money had come out of my account, and people kept asking when that next Curry review was coming, so I reached out to the Under Armour team and tried to get some answers. So this is February 9th at this point, and Under Armour tells me that my order has actually been canceled, and I mistakenly received a confirmation. So I'm pretty bummed at that point, like damn, I'm black and I couldn't even cop the Black History Month pair. But then I realized that I still have $160 in my pocket. So I start to go back about life like everything is all good. And then on February 21st, I receive an email from Under Armour stating that my order has just shipped. At that point, I'm thinking, what did I even order from Under Armour? Then I click into the message and I see that it is indeed these Black History Month Curry 9s. So I'm thinking that I finessed the system and found a way to get a free pair. But would you know that Under Armour actually charged me that $160 for this pair of shoes that was supposed to be canceled? Sorry for the long story, but yeah, let me know if that happened to anyone else out there. But we do have them in hand now, so let's go ahead and check out the features of the Under Armour Curry 9 Black History Month. The base of this shoe is that Under Armour Warp Technology mesh material that you see all around the forefront. They've primarily used a beautiful teal color for this pair. You have some cool multicolored laces with some purple, pink, teal, even some white specks in there. And that vertical panel running up the tongue says be heard, be seen, be celebrated. Also, the tips of the laces say worldwide liberation. Plus, there's this little tag attached to the laces. Don't worry, it's not a StockX tag. It says Worldwide Aspiration, Black Liberation. I love the color scheme overall on this shoe. Feel like Curry usually does a good job of getting solid colorways for Black History Month. At the rear of the Curry 9, you have that black suede material with the ribs in it and teal stitching. It's not the smoothest suede, but still feels pretty good. With the build of the Curry 9, it is more convenient to get your foot into this shoe than it was with the Curry 8. Have to appreciate that scoop design at the rear as well as the use of an actual tongue. You can just slip your foot in, lace them up, and start playing. On the lateral side of the sneaker, you'll notice that Curry brand logo in a salmon color. And right behind that, you'll notice a purple tag that displays the same icon Steph Curry has tatted on his arm. These basketball players have me Googling a lot of tattoos. It's kind of weird, but kind of interesting at the same time. Moving down to the midsole/sole area, if you've been following along with the Curry 8 and the Curry 9, you know how important the sole is. This sneaker has the Flow sole incorporated. It's a lightweight, super grippy compound that makes for way less slippage on the court. That way, Steph can stop, plant, and find his shot. The design on this Flow rubber is very similar to that of the Curry 8, but you do have some areas where Curry Brand tried to switch it up. For starters, on the outsole they added another plate, so you have one that says Under Armour and then one that displays Steph Curry's signature. The traction pattern though is pretty much the same as that of the Curry 8. Another area where Curry Brand and Under Armour tried to switch it up is this spot where the color from the upper leaks onto the top of the midsole. I probably ranted a million times last year about how the sole of the Curry 8 was always white, so Curry Brand wanted to do as little as possible about changing that. So the color from the base of the shoe kind of leaks out, and you also have some purple and yellow paint splotches on there, but the midsole is still white on every shoe. It's a huge issue for me. Maybe I just need to fix my priorities, but I really do wish that we could see some of the Curry 8s with a different color midsole and outsole. Anyway, we've seen what meets the eye with the Under Armour Curry 9 Black History Month. Now let's slap these on feet and see what they feel like.
There you go, by the way. It's 12:34 and I'm feeling kinda hungry. Call up my ex cause I'm feeling kinda lonely. I could really use some kisses and I ain't talking Hershey's or some bad bitches who are very thirsty. Tell them come in they birthday suit and come the worst way, but I'ma let her come first cause I don't play. Or mine be in second place. I'ma let you finish, girl. Take your time, get a taste. Sweet, she love it. My ego big, but I think nothing of it. She's so hot, she got.
Okay, this is a super lightweight basketball shoe. A lot of similarities to the Curry 8. With all the mesh that's incorporated on the base, your foot's definitely going to be able to breathe in these. In terms of sizing for the Curry 9, I always go true to size for a nice 1-to-1 fit. I love a snug basketball shoe that prevents me from slipping and sliding on the inside. However, if you have a wide foot, I would recommend going up at least a half size. And although it may not be very possible, I'd also recommend trying these on before making the actual purchase. But yeah, I like these a lot more than the Curry 8s. Random breakaway, but have you guys seen the Curry 4 Flotros? Curry's been playing in them and losing in them. Kent Bazemore's been playing in them, also losing in them. I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a release of at least one colorway for the Flotros before the season is done, and hopefully it's this pink colorway. Okay, back to the Curry 9. These definitely feel good on feet, but I couldn't see myself rocking these casually. I feel like these have to be worn strictly on basketball courts. Let me know what you guys think of the Curry 9 Black History Month. Were you able to cop the pre-sale? Did you get finessed like I did? Let me know all of that below in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment Babyface Assassin. Much love, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.